In my previous video, I showed that it was possible to train a MONAI 2D medical image classification model on an Ubuntu Linux laptop using only the CPU. But that experiment was limited to just 2 training epochs. Today, I want to take that experiment one step further. I am using the same Ubuntu Linux laptop from the previous experiment. It is the same MONAI environment, the same notebook, and the same CPU-only hardware. I am starting by activating my MONAI Python environment. Once the environment is ready, I launch Jupyter Notebook. This is the notebook which contains the MONAI Madness tutorial that I have been working with throughout this series. This is the notebook that I used in the previous experiment. My objective today is not to use a different model or a different dataset. Instead, I want to repeat the same experiment while changing only one parameter. In the previous experiment, I configured the model to train for 2 epochs. For this experiment, I have kept the original setting in the notebook as a comment so that it remains visible. Directly below it, I have changed the training to run for 4 epochs. Apart from this change, everything else remains the same. This allows us to observe how increasing the number of training epochs affects the model while keeping the rest of the experiment unchanged. We are now ready to begin the live training. The training will run entirely on the CPU of this Ubuntu Linux laptop. Let's see what happens when we increase the training from 2 epochs to 4 epochs.